Welcome to Motor World, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most dominant machines in motocross, the 2026 KTM 450 exc-f. Known for its race-winning pedigree, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive performance, this bike continues to set benchmarks in the world of professional motocross. Bold and aggressive design. The 2026 model carries forward KTM's signature sharp and aggressive styling. The bright orange color scheme instantly grabs attention, while the updated graphics give it a more modern and race-ready appeal. Every panel is designed with purpose, improving airflow, reducing weight, and enhancing rider movement. The slim bodywork allows riders to grip the bike effortlessly during intense riding sessions. From the redesigned front fender to the compact rear section, the entire bike feels tight, minimal, and performance-focused. Engine performance and power delivery. At the heart of the 2026 KTM 450 exc-f lies a powerful 449.9 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. This high-performance engine is built to deliver explosive acceleration while maintaining precise control. The bike features advanced fuel injection and refined engine mapping, ensuring smooth throttle response across all RPM ranges. Whether launching off the gate or powering through corners, the engine offers a perfect balance of raw power and rideability. KTM has also improved internal components for better durability and efficiency, making this machine not just powerful but also reliable for competitive racing. Lightweight chassis and handling. Handling is where the 2026 KTM 450 exc-f truly shines. The lightweight chromium molybdenum steel frame is engineered to provide optimal rigidity and flex. This results in improved stability at high speeds and better feedback for the rider. The updated chassis geometry enhances cornering precision, allowing riders to take tight lines with confidence. Combined with its low overall weight, the bike feels incredible. Suspension and ride comfort. The 2026 model comes equipped with top-tier WP-ZACT suspension components. The front forks are fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune settings based on track conditions and personal preferences. At the rear, the WP-ZACT shock absorber delivers excellent damping performance, ensuring smooth landings and improved traction. Whether hitting jumps or navigating whoops, the suspension system provides consistent performance. The result is a bike that feels planted, stable, and comfortable even during long and demanding rides. Advanced technology and features. KTM continues to push the limits with advanced technology in the 2026 450 exc-f. The bike includes features like launch control, traction control, and a quickshifter for seamless gear changes. These systems are designed to give riders a competitive edge, especially in race conditions. The launch control ensures maximum grip off the start line, while traction control helps maintain stability on slippery surfaces. The easy-to-use handlebar-mounted switch allows riders to adjust settings quickly, making it a truly rider-focused machine. Braking and safety. The braking system on the 2026 KTM 450 exc-f is designed for precision and control. High-performance disc brakes provide strong stopping power, while maintaining excellent feel at the lever. This ensures riders can brake late into corners with confidence, a crucial advantage in competitive motocross racing. The combination of power and control makes the braking system highly effective in all conditions. Final verdict. The 2026 KTM 450 exc-f is more than just a motocross bike, it's a race-winning machine built for serious riders. With its powerful engine, lightweight chassis, advanced suspension, and cutting-edge technology, it stands at the top of its class. Whether you're a professional racer or an enthusiast looking for top-tier performance, this bike delivers on every front. KTM has once again proven why it remains a leader.